Do you want to know what HTML attributes are? Well, HTML attributes provide additional information about HTML elements. Also, all HTML elements can have attributes. Note, attributes are always specified in the start tag. Attributes usually come in the name/value pairs like name is equal to and value in the double quotes. So you may ask me how many attributes are there. Now, there are 8 of them which we will look at one by one. Also, watch till the end to get more out of this video. So without waiting, let's get started. Number 1, the href attribute. The A tag or the anchor tag defines a hyperlink. The href attribute specifies the URL of the page the link goes to, like this one. Now there's the A tag or the anchor tag. Inside that there's an attribute called href, and the href's value is the link to where it will go if I click that link. Number 2, the Src attribute. The image tag is used to embed an image in an HTML page. The Src attribute specifies the path to the image to be displayed, like this one. You can see the image tag, and inside that there's the Src attribute. The value of Src attribute is a file called scenery.jpg. Number 3, width and height attributes. The image tag should also contain the width and height attributes, which specifies the width and height of the image in pixels, of course, like this one. Now you have the same image tag. Inside that we have the Src attribute and its value so that we could display the image. And one more thing you can see is that you can see two extra attributes, which is width and height. It specifies the width and height of an image. Number 4, alt attribute. The required alt attribute for the image tag specifies an alternative text for an image. If the image for some reasons cannot be displayed, this can be due to slow connection or an error in the Src attribute, or if the user uses a screen reader. Number 5, the style attribute. The style attribute is used to add styles to an element such as color, font, size, and more. Number 6, the lang attribute. You should always include the lang attribute inside the HTML tag to declare the language of the web page. This is meant to assist search engines and browsers. The following example specifies English as a language. Number 7, the title attribute. The title attribute defines some extra information about an element. The value of the title attribute will be displayed as a tooltip when you mouse over the element. And finally, here are some tips. Tip number 1, always use lowercase attributes. The HTML standard does not require lowercase attributes names. The title attribute and all other attributes can be written with uppercase or lowercase, like title or title in capitals. However, we recommend lowercase attributes in HTML and demand lowercase attributes for stricter document types like XHTML. Tip number 2, always quote attribute values. The HTML standard does not require quotes around the attribute value. However, we recommend quotes in HTML and demand quotes for stricter documents like XHTML. That was a lot. But why don't we summarize the things we have gone through? So, number 1, all HTML elements can have attributes. Number 2, The href attribute of a tag specifies the URL of the page the link goes to. Number 3, the Src attribute of image tag specifies the path to the image to be displayed. Number 4, the width and height attributes of image tag provide size to information for images. Number 5, the alt attribute for image tag provides an alternative text for an image. Number 6, the style attribute is used to add styles to an element such as color, font, size, and more. Number 7, the lang attribute of the HTML tag declares the language of the web page. Number 8, the title attribute defines some extra information about an element. Okay, everyone, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you next time. Bye bye.